welcome back to Efes Channel. Is your slime too gooey?
Is it too slimy?
We want to show you how to fix that.
What we have here in front of us is Elmer's magical liquid.
We have to add it by bit and stare as we go. So stay tuned, guys.
I think it's coming together.
Let's begin.
This is so cool, guys. Look at my days. Look at my days.
So we're gonna test it by dumping it on the kitchen table. If it runs off the kitchen table,
that means it's still too wet. Relax. Understood. Look at this, guys.
If the magical liquid, you don't have to worry about baking soda or eye contact solution. Thanks to Elmer's magical liquid.
This works.
So guys, this is 4.5 liters of slime.
And look how jiggly it is. I like my color just the way it is. Let's see if we can make another one, another big one. Oh! Look at it! Wow! Oh my days! And look at bubbles inside. But that was fun, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love this.
This is the epic win!
And our mom got some
Ingredients for
because in the other video,
it didn't work.
Yeah.
It was a whole bunch of mess with the table.
because we was getting messy.
If you haven't seen our other video, check the description down below. Oh,
That was close. Did that ASMR calm you down? Welcome back to an ASMR video. It's like when you hear stuff you haven't liked.